Hi, today we are going to talk about kids saving the rainforest.
Kids Saving the Rainforest is a wildlife sanctuary in Costa Rica.
Costa Rica is a country in Central America.
It is full of volcanoes, sandy beaches, and rainforests.
This is a squirrel monkey.
And this is a three-toed sloth.
Kids Saving the Rainforest helps these and other animals when they're sick and hurt.
And by building wildlife bridges to protect them.
Check out these pictures of actual animals. They have helped.
You can help them by wearing an animal shirt or a green shirt and jeans on Friday, November 4th.
All the money raised goes towards helping kids save the rainforest, build wildlife bridges to protect monkeys and sloths.
We want to raise enough money to build 2 bridges. That's $600.
You can also help by buying monkey bracelets for $1 and sloth keychains for $2. You can buy them in Miss Morgan's room this week before school from 8 to 8:20.
If you'd like to make cash donations to help, you could always bring money on Friday. Thank you for helping the first graders at Imagine South Vero. Make a difference.